Welcome to Tourventure. Today, we take you to one of the most impressive natural wonders of the world, Iceland, shining in the cool waters of the North Atlantic. This volcanic island is a literal creation of nature's pure power and magic. Iceland offers magnificent diversity. From glacier-covered peaks to erupting volcanoes, from rough seashores to cool forest valleys. Here, every step you take offers a natural wonder or a fascinating view that will surprise you around the next corner. Get ready to meet the wild beauty and wonderful landscapes of this extraordinary country. In this travel video, we will introduce the 10 most surprising places of Iceland. So let's begin our adventure. Number 10. Seljalandsfoss. Our first stop is a stunning waterfall that is located on the south coast of Iceland, along the ring road that circles the country. Seljalandsfoss is unique because it has a cave behind it that allows visitors to walk behind the curtain of water and see it from a different perspective. The waterfall is about 60 meters high and drops from the cliffs that were once part of the coastline. This waterfall, one of the most famous and most visited places in Iceland, is fed by the meltwater of the glacial volcano. Seljalandsfoss is especially beautiful at sunset or sunrise, when the light creates a golden glow on the water. Number 9. Westfjord. The Westfjord is a large area in northwestern Iceland, stretching from the mainland to a peninsula. The peninsula is old, mountainous, and contains many fjords of varying length. Westfjord is Iceland's most remote region and home to the island's most dramatic landscape. Here you can see natural wonders such as bird cliffs, Glacier Lagoon, and Dinjandi waterfall. Westfjord is also full of cultural and historical attractions. Here you can find old fishing villages, lighthouses, museums, and churches. Westfjord is one of the least explored regions of Iceland and a perfect destination for nature lovers. You can do a variety of activities here, such as hiking, cycling, fishing, camping, and wildlife watching. Number 8. Landmannalaugar. Landmannalaugar is a place in the nature reserve in the Icelandic highlands. It is located on the edge of a lava field formed by an eruption in approximately 1477. Landmannalaugar is famous for its colorful rhyolite mountains and epic day hikes, geothermal hot springs, lava fields, and unique hiking trails attract adventurous travelers throughout the summer. There are 3 routes to Landmannalaugar. Only one is designed to be accessible by car, but the road is rough and only suitable for 4-wheel drive vehicles. The other 2 routes are more challenging and sometimes involve river crossings. Number 7. Glaciers. Iceland is a country famous for the glaciers, from which it takes its name. Glaciers and ice caps, which cover 11% of Iceland, have a significant impact on the country's landscape and meteorology. Although glaciers are permanent, they change shape as they flow, creating cracks, crevices, and sometimes beautiful ice caves. Natural ice caves vary in size and shape each year. But what they all have in common is spectacular ice formations, some with bright blue ice. Therefore, it has become a popular travel attraction. Natural ice caves are only accessible from mid-October or November to March because they melt and break apart during the warmer summer months. Number 6. Thingvellir National Park. Thingvellir National Park is one of Iceland's most important historical and natural heritage sites and is located in an active volcanic area. Located 49 kilometers east of Reykjavik, in the southwest of the country, the park covers an area of 24,000 hectares. Its most distinctive feature is a large rift, cracks and chasms that show intercontinental drift in a dazzling and understandable way. Thingvellir National Park is one of the most impressive geological places where viewers can see the power of the world's geothermal activity up close. Also a UNESCO World Heritage Site between two tectonic plates, Thingvellir National Park is called the Heart of Iceland and is a place worth visiting. Number 5. Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. This is one of the most stunning natural wonders in Iceland. It is a large glacial lake that is filled with icebergs that have calved from the Devoniacal ice cap. The icebergs come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, ranging from white to blue to black. Some of them are stranded on the shore, while others float on the water and drift towards the Atlantic Ocean. The lagoon is also home to many seals and birds, and sometimes whales can be spotted in the nearby sea. The best time to visit the lagoon is during the winter, when the icebergs are frozen and the northern lights can be seen above them. Number 4. Geysir. Geysir is a geothermal field located in southwestern Iceland. It takes its name from the Great Geysir, which gave its name to all geysers in the world and was the first geyser known to modern Europeans. Geysir is a hot spring estimated to have been active for approximately 10,000 years as a result of the earthquakes that occurred in the region in 1294. Many new hot water sources were formed. The activity of Geysir and surrounding geysers is closely related to earthquake activity. Geysir is about 2 hours from Reykjavik and can be easily reached with a Golden Circle tour or by renting a car. Geysir is one of the most impressive geological places where viewers can see the power of the Earth. Number 3. Gullfoss. Gullfoss is a magnificent waterfall located in the canyon of the Hvida River in southwestern Iceland. It is located on the popular tourist route called the Golden Circle. Gullfoss has a 2-stage drop. The first stage is 11 meters high and the second stage is 21 meters high. The waterfall pours into a 32-meter deep crevice. The rift is 20 meters wide and 2.5 kilometers long, perpendicular to the flow of the river in summer. Approximately 140 cubic meters of water flows from the waterfall per second, and in winter, this number is around 80 cubic meters. A stunning example of the raw power of nature. Gullfoss is one of Iceland's most beloved and iconic tourist attractions. Number 2. Kirkjufell Mountain. This is one of the most iconic and photographed mountains in Iceland. This 463-meter-high mountain is located on the north coast of the Snæfellsnes Peninsula and has a distinctive shape that resembles a church steeple or a witch's hat. The mountain is surrounded by waterfalls, rivers, and green fields, creating a picturesque scenery that changes with the seasons and the weather. Kirkjufell is also a great spot to catch the northern lights, as it offers a clear view of the sky and a dramatic backdrop for the aurora borealis. Number 1. Reykjavik. Reykjavik is the capital and largest city of Iceland. It is located in southwestern Iceland on the southern coast of the Gulf, making it the world's northernmost capital of a sovereign state. There was no urban development in the city until the 18th century. The city was officially founded as a trading town in 1786, and in the following decades it became a regional and later national center of commerce, population, and government activities. Reykjavik is the center of Iceland's cultural, economic, and governmental activities and a popular tourist destination among foreigners. It is also among the cleanest, greenest, and safest cities in the world. There are lots of things to do and places to see in Reykjavik. It offers everything from the city's vibrant arts and music scene to world-famous cultural and historical attractions. We have come to the end of our journey, where we introduced the 10 most beautiful places in Iceland. But this journey is not limited to just this video. The magic of Iceland awaits you, and this video was just the beginning. The beauty of Iceland is full of many more secrets and landscapes waiting to be discovered. If this video has inspired you to come to Iceland, then all you have to do is pack your luggage, buy a flight ticket, and come to this magical island. Remember, the world depends on where you want to go, but Iceland reminds you of where you want to go. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.